Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be addressing some of the issues I had with the design process in the last video and trying to fix them and into a new design of Gwen, or Project Gwen. As this is very much an improvement video, if you have any tips at all about dynamic posing, make sure to put them in the comments down below for me and others to see and to work on our dynamic posing. Thank you in advance for doing that if you do. If you don't worry, but if you do have any sorts of tips, please make sure to drop them in the comments below. So as you can see, I was using one of the original sketches I did in that video because I felt that this was a very powerful, very dynamic pose, especially compared to what I ended up with in that video. Some of the elements that I tried to accentuate to get this very dynamic pose were the arch in the back, getting that very accentuated to help the curve, help the flow throughout the piece. Also the positioning of the feet. What if you have them further away, that sort of conveys action, and so the closer they are, the more relaxed your figure's most likely going to be, and the further away they are, the more action there's going to be in the overall piece. I also should have in this drawing had the head very angular. I feel like this would have made it much more elegant and helped the flow, even though it's angles and straight lines, because it would have just been much cleaner, and that would have helped your eyes go to the rest of the flow around the clean edges instead of this round sort of lump object that it is now. I made sure to try and have a sort of line of action, and in this one it was almost like an S, starting from the head, curving round the shoulders, then into the small of the back, and then back round to the legs. I tried to accentuate this with the head spike things and also the positioning of the back foot. However, I felt that this design, especially because the head and some of those things weren't working, but I forgot about the feet, so I didn't in the end change the feet, widen their stance, and I feel like that made this slightly less dynamic than it could have been. Also, the arch was gone, so I feel like this is more dynamic than the first one I drew, but not as dynamic as that one. I feel like a lesson learnt for me here is just make sure to concentrate on those lines of actions and trying to make your character fit those lines of actions quite a lot. I hope you enjoyed this more reflective sort of video style, more of a talkative discussion sort of style, and if you did like it, make sure to tell me in the comments any other of my videos that you'd want me to do something like this for. Don't forget to subscribe, and also make sure you go and check out the Instagram in the description down below so that you can see any post uploads and quite a lot of other art bits and pieces posted from me and other people I know. And without further ado, I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.